YouTube TV automatically adjusts video quality based on your internet speed, but you can optimize this feature to get smoother streaming with fewer interruptions. Here's how to make sure automatic streaming quality works correctly on any device. Step 1. Keep video quality on auto. Open YouTube TV. Play any video. Open Settings. Gear icon. Video quality. Make sure the option is set to auto. This allows YouTube TV to pick the best quality based on your network. Step 2. Improve your internet connection. Automatic quality works best with stable internet for optimal streaming. HD, 7 to 13 megabits per second. 4K, 25 megabits per second, plus use 5 GHz Wi-Fi or Ethernet for more stable auto quality shifts. Step 3. Close background apps on smart TVs, computers, and phones. Close other apps using bandwidth. This helps YouTube TV detect your full available speed. Step 4. Update the app. Go to your device's App Store and update YouTube TV. Newer versions improve adaptive streaming performance. Step 5. Restart router or device. A quick reboot helps YouTube TV measure your actual internet stability, so it can adjust quality accurately. Step 6. Clear cache. Optional. Clearing cache on your device ensures YouTube TV runs efficiently, helping auto quality adjust faster. That's it. Your streaming quality will now automatically adjust for the smoothest viewing experience.